What is happening, everybody? Dirty D's out here kicking it on a beautiful sunny day out here in late November in San Antonio, Texas, man. The weather's been absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for joining the channel today. Appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and the bell if you haven't already. That way you don't miss any episodes and you'll be notified as soon as they come out. Hey, check this out. On today's video, this is going to be a little bit of an installation video and a review video. And this is going to be from a product coming from Ciro3D. I'm also going to tell you a little bit about the history of Ciro3D. A lot of people don't know that it's family owned and operated. I'll tell you a little bit more about that. But what we're going to be installing today are some mini floorboards for the passenger. Here's one of the big reasons why I'm doing this, man. As we all know, one of the best things a guy can have on his motorcycle is a hot chick riding on the back. And so if that lady of your life is feeling good and comfortable, of course she's gonna wanna ride more and ride longer. And that's one of the reasons that we're putting the mini floorboards on here on the back. And man, I looked at everything from A to Z, and the one that made the most sense for me and my passenger, you're gonna meet her as well. She's gonna tell you what she thinks about these new floorboards, are the mini floors. So I'm gonna install these for you right now, tell you a little bit about the history of Ciro3D, what they're all about, where they're from, and then I'm gonna go on a ride with my girl and she's gonna tell you what she thinks about them, because I'm not the one sitting on the back. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. First of all, this is what we're installing, the twin rail floorboards from Ciro3D today, man. I mean, I gotta tell you right now, these are so slick. I got the black with the driver adapters. Let me just go ahead and pop this thing open. I'm gonna show you everything that this kit comes with. All right, here we go. Okay, and I can see right off the bat, man, these are nice quality. I mean, look at this. And then there's rubber padding on here to help my passenger keep her feet on the pads. I mean, she's gonna love these, dude. Good weight to them, like I say. It'll be so easy to put these things on. In fact, I'm gonna walk on over to my bike right now. I'm bringing you guys with me, and we're gonna put these puppies on. All right, so you see this little pin right here? You're gonna have to use your knife to get up in there and smack that right on out. All right, man, we got the ground cam going on right now. Here's one of the things I love about this. Look at these directions, man. So simple. This is gonna be a complete snap. Check this out. So you got this piece, you got this piece. Fits right in here with the splines facing outward. This part is gonna go in here, and then this is gonna attach to the bike. Then you're gonna be able to move it up and down. If somebody's not on, obviously you're gonna be able to flip these upward so they just lie flush up against the bike. I'm gonna take my girl for a ride, see how she likes it. What do you think?
I like them. They're wide, they're comfortable. I don't have to worry about my foot falling off.
All right, so this next segment, check this out. We're gonna go on a ride, and then right after that, my girl's gonna get off the bike. I'm gonna introduce you to her, and she's gonna tell you what she thinks about these mini floorboards, man. But anyway, so let me give you kind of a little history on Ciro3D and what they're up to these days. Now look, a lot of people are surprised to find out that the CEO and founder of Ciro3D is a 26-year-old. This dude's named Ciro Rudd. And really, motorcycles are in his blood, man. So we've all heard of the company Drag Specialties. Well, his dad was the founder of Drag Specialties. And then Kuryakin, of course, we all know Kuryakin. His mom and dad started Kuryakin, right? So he kind of grew up in this stuff. And he would work at Kuryakin during the summers. And while he was in college, at some point, he was like, man, all this college money, I could invest that in my own company. So he just went ahead and got the ball rolling. But right around that time, his dad left Kuryakin. Something heavy must have been happening over there. I'm not going to speculate, dude, but the entire senior design staff left as well. And yeah, man, they all went over to Ciro, and it's the smashing success that you see today, man. Definitely a big team effort, a family effort too. I found out that his sister Azura is the marketing manager, right? And I've actually had a couple of emails with Azura not knowing who she was in the family or the company, man. So I mean, just a really cool company. Of course, based right here in the US. All their products are designed right here in the US. So let me give you a quick rundown of their shipping and stuff. If you go to Ciro3D, you're gonna get free shipping on US orders that are over 39 bucks. Nice. They do ship worldwide. Those aren't available to have the free shipping, but they do ship out worldwide. If they get your order before 3:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, it gets shipped out that very same day. So go check them out. And by the way, when you check out, go ahead and put in my personal discount code. Just type Dirty D's in the box and you're going to get another 10% off. All right, that's the history lesson. I'm getting ready to introduce you to my girl. Here we go. All right, y'all, so we're just going to film her reaction, what she thought about it while we're out here in the backyard, because that's kind of the best lighting that I'm finding right now.
That ride was awesome. I really enjoyed that ride with those pegs. I like the width of them. I like the fact that they're not too wide, they're not too narrow. It's like the perfect fit. It's like the 3 bears.
And so when we were going on the corners, like, how did it feel? And tell me, could you move your foot forward, backward?
I felt very comfortable moving my foot forward and backward, like, because on the old pegs, I was always afraid it was going to slip off, you know, if I even tweaked my foot. But this one, I really feel comfortable. I really felt comfortable with these pegs, because even on the speed bumps, I normally plant my feet and ride them out like I'm riding a horse. And with the pegs, I always felt like, it could go either way. But these, I felt very, very confident, very, very comfortable, actually. It makes me think of like future rides that I want to go on. You coming?
Little Bradley's coming out. He wants to see where the action is. Anyway, all right, cool. So you're gonna be good doing longer rides and stuff like that with those?
Absolutely. I like how they flip up nice and sleek. So if I'm not riding, you still look sleek on the bike.
This is freaking awesome. By the way, you guys, I've been doing these videos for almost 2 years now, and I don't think you've ever seen my girl Donquisha. Hey, I want to give a big shout out to Ciro3D. Folks, thanks so much for everything you did. You listened to my story about how I lost my last pegs. You hooked me up with some of these, and I gotta tell you, man, I'm a big believer in Ciro. Love the whole story about how Ciro came to be, the fact that it's family owned and operated from the United States. Started off by a 26-year-old guy, got help from so many people in his family. His sister's involved, the dad's involved. I mean, it's just awesome. So anyway, big thumbs up. Hey, you guys out there, have a great week, have a great weekend. Hope to see you out here in the Mother Humming streets one of these days. Donquisha, thanks for being my guinea pig once again. All right, my partner in crime. We'll see you guys later. Peace out.